Imagine waking up tomorrow, not to dozens of unread emails, not to a long to-do list, but to find that your computer has already answered your emails, booked your meetings, researched your next vacation, created a presentation for work, ordered groceries, and even negotiated prices online, while you were asleep. It sounds like science fiction, but this isn't the future anymore. It's happening right now. And it's all because of something called AI agents. Over the past few months, the world's biggest technology companies have been racing to build them. Investors are pouring billions into them. Businesses are redesigning how they work around them. And experts believe they may become the biggest shift in computing since the smartphone. But what exactly are AI agents? And why is everyone suddenly talking about them? Let's find out. Every major technological revolution changes how humans work. The steam engine replaced muscle. Electricity transformed factories. The internet connected the world. Smartphones put computers in our pockets. Artificial intelligence helped computers understand language and images. But AI agents are different. Until now, AI mostly waited for instructions. You asked a question, it gave an answer. You requested an image, it created one. You asked it to write, it wrote. The AI stopped there. An AI agent doesn't stop after answering. It continues working toward your goal. Instead of saying, "Here's the information," it says, "I'll handle it." That single difference could change everything. Think of a traditional chatbot as a very smart assistant sitting behind a desk. It waits patiently. Every time you ask something, it answers. Then it waits again. Now imagine hiring an experienced personal assistant. Instead of waiting, they plan. They make decisions. They check progress. They solve problems. If one approach doesn't work, they try another. That is the basic idea behind an AI agent. It isn't just generating text, it's working toward a goal. It can break large tasks into smaller ones, search for information, use software, talk to other AI systems, learn from previous results, and keep working until the job is complete. Instead of taking one step, it takes many, just like a human assistant would. Imagine you own a small online business. Normally, you would research competitors, write advertisements, create product images, respond to customers, track inventory, monitor sales, update your website. Each task takes time. Now imagine giving one instruction. Increase my online sales this month. An AI agent could research competitors, analyze customer reviews, design marketing campaigns, create social media posts, schedule them, monitor performance, adjust the strategy, and report back with results. Not because someone programmed every step, but because the agent figured out what needed to be done. This is why businesses are paying close attention. Not because AI can answer questions, because AI may soon complete entire workflows. Healthcare. Doctors could spend less time on paperwork and more time with patients. Education. Teachers could receive personalized lesson plans for every student. Finance. Agents could monitor markets and prepare reports around the clock. Customer service. Companies could solve problems before customers even notice them. Software development. AI agents can already help developers write code, test software, identify bugs, and suggest improvements. Even scientific research is changing. Researchers are beginning to use AI systems to analyze enormous amounts of data much faster than humans could alone. These examples don't mean humans are disappearing. They mean humans may spend less time on repetitive work and more time on creativity, judgment, and collaboration. Every powerful technology creates excitement and concern. Supporters believe AI agents could eliminate repetitive work, increase productivity, help small businesses compete with larger companies, speed up discoveries, and make everyday life easier. But critics raise important questions. Can AI make reliable decisions? Who is responsible if an AI agent makes a costly mistake? How much personal data should these systems have access to? Could some jobs change dramatically? Could bad actors misuse autonomous AI? These aren't imaginary questions. They're the same kinds of questions society faced with the internet, smartphones, and social media. The challenge isn't simply building smarter AI. It's building AI that people can trust. Around the world, technology companies are investing heavily in AI agents. Some are building assistants for businesses. Others are creating software that can manage projects, coordinate teams, or automate complex digital work. Startups are appearing almost every week. Large companies are integrating AI into products millions of people already use. The competition isn't only about building smarter chatbots. It's about creating digital workers that can collaborate with humans. Many experts believe this is the next chapter of artificial intelligence. Not AI that simply answers, but AI that acts. The race has only just begun. Every generation witnesses a technology that quietly changes everyday life. Our grandparents watched electricity spread. Our parents experienced the internet. Many of us watched smartphones reshape the world. Now, we may be watching the rise of AI agents. Will they replace every job? Probably not. Will they change how millions of people work? Very likely. The biggest question isn't whether AI agents are coming. They're already here. The real question is, how will we choose to use them? Will they become tools that empower people, or systems we fail to guide responsibly? History shows that technology itself isn't destiny. The choices humans make are what shape the future. And perhaps that's the most important conversation of all. If you enjoyed this documentary and want more simple, in-depth explanations about artificial intelligence, emerging technology, and the innovations shaping tomorrow, subscribe to AI Decoded. Because the future is moving fast, and together we'll decode it, one breakthrough at a time.